In this video, we'll be replacing the starter for a 92 Geo Prizm. Geo Prizm. It's the same thing as a Toyota Corolla. So this is a starter. Basically, there are one screw and a second screw right here to remove, and two connectors down here to remove. First thing you have to do is take off your intake plastic, and you will, because later on I'll use a light on this, but right behind the green sensor that you see right there is one screw, and the second screw you have to do it from underneath the car, and we'll show it to you in a second. But before we do that, if you look from the top, so from the side, looking down from the top, you'll see my friend right there. He's you can see that cylinder location right on top of the boot cover where the hands are. That's where the starter is located at. So right now we are removing one of the nuts from this angle, and you can fit your hand in between that to remove one of the nuts, and that's what we're doing right now.
That's really hard on my
So right now we're releasing this nut. So I'm looking from the bottom. You can see that we disconnected the two screws right there, and then now we're going to have to disconnect that one big screw right there. Maybe I can zoom into it, I don't know. That one right there, that's what we disconnect next. So after that's loose, then we'll disconnect another big screw from the top. So we just took the screw out from the bottom, and if you're at the bottom, you untie it and it just comes out like that. After we get the bottom done loose, now we want to go to the top, and you can see behind the it's kind of hard to see. Okay, there we go. Let me zoom in a little bit. So behind that green sensor right there, you can see that screw right there. That's what you want to loose, and after that's loose, the whole starter will drop down. So now we're loosening up the top screw from right there. We took the starter out right now, and we're going to put the new one in. So right now we got the starter out. You can see it's not there anymore. And the way we took it out was that we loosened up this mount right here, we basically, let me put down the starter real quick. So we basically pull this back, and then we were able to pull the starter out from this hole right here. So now we got the starter right here, and we're basically going to put the starter through down there. This requires two people. One person will be underneath the car, and another person will be feeding it on top. And then after the starter's in there, then we'll tighten it down from that bolt right there. Alright, I'm going to feed this down here.
Don't let loose until I tell you. It's really heavy.
Yeah, I know. You got it?
Whoa, whoa.
I'll try to help you a little bit. Alright. We just need to raise it up.
The way it is right now. That is closer.
There we go.
There.
Alright, I'll hold it like that, and I'm going to screw it in.
Hey, do you want to hand me the bottom screw to see if we can
Align it?
tighten it? Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it's at least halfway tightened. Release it and see if it drops.
No, it's not dropping.
Okay, good.